Hello everyone, this is my review of the Junmax Road Solid Color Necktie. The polyester blend fabric looks rich, crisp, smooth, and well crafted with no cheap sheen look to it. The ties hue matched exactly as pictured, making it ideal for matching wedding parties, work attire, or formal wear. Classic width and length. At 3.15 inches wide, it strikes the perfect balance, not the skinny or wide, and comfortably ties a full knot. If you're after a sharp-looking, affordable tie that delivers on color, durability, and versatility, the Junmax Road necktie is a reliable pick. Perfect for any formal attire occasion or anyone needing a classic look without the luxury price tag. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.